I know there's more of the trail on that end, but I wonder how far and long this trail goes. I'll bet for miles. Oh. Do I hear something? Hear helicopter. Where is the helicopter? Wow, okay, so the trail just keeps going down. Like they just hiked from there. So the trail goes down and down and down and down and down. And I imagine, I mean I can see like footpaths there. Jeez, they go all the way up there. They go all the way up. Man, that's a seriously treacherous trail there. Jeez. Oh, and there's a trail up there too. You can see the trail. I wonder if this one leads to that one. It probably does lead to that one. And I wonder if that trail keeps going along the continuum. Has a continuous hike all the way along the ridge to the end. I'll bet it does. So I'm not up for a hike. You can see people all the way down there. Yeah, okay. So it's probably along the ridge. Not today, honey. Let's explore the other end.
It's beautiful.
Bunch of fern trees, fern plants. All these fern plants. Wonderful. Wow, look at that plant. Struggling. I should take a picture. Oh, there's a dog.